This is Just Trippin' by World Class. I think it's a very nice fountain. It lasts a pretty good while, about a minute, 40 seconds. So let's do it.
Alright, Just Trippin' by World Class Fireworks.
If you saw the video of me demonstrating this, it almost fell over, so that was a joke. It almost tripped, so that was fun. Pretty good what happened there. Let me get rid of that.
Have a nice trip. There we go.
Very pretty. Oh my god.
Oh, I love it.
That is nice.
Instantly love it.
Very strong, you can just tell.
Oh, wow.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Very beautiful. Got the wind blowing, you see?
Yeah. It's really cold out here, guys. It's
really cold. I love the purple. Love it.
Yeah.
Oh man, now we're getting superpower.
Ooh, that's a cool effect. Wow. Very nice.
Happy New Year.
Yeah.
2018. Extreme awesomeness.
Cold weather and extreme awesomeness combined equals the best fireworks ever.
Yeah. Wow. Love it. That was